Hi there, my name is Marissa. In this video, you will learn how to create and issue a virtual key in the ButterflyMX mobile app. First, open up the ButterflyMX mobile app on your smartphone. You can either click the virtual key button under Quick Create or click on the virtual keys icon at the bottom of the page. Next, press the Create a Virtual Key button. At the top, you can select what kind of virtual key this will be. You can select to give someone recurring access during business hours only, full day use, or just a one-time key. Or you can create your own custom dimensions from scratch. I'm going to create a recurring access key for my dog walker that comes twice a week around lunchtime. Next, you'll want to name your virtual key. I'll name mine Dog Walker. You can also change which doors your guest will have access to. I only want my dog walker to have access to the front door. Next, I'll select the days my dog walker will be coming to my building. She comes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll make those changes here. Now I'll need to select a time frame that the key will be active. My dog walker comes between 12:30 and 3:30 p.m., so that's the time slot I will assign. Finally, you'll need to select a date that the virtual key will expire. This can be adjusted at any time. Now at the bottom, select Create Key, and now your key is ready to be shared. Click the Share Key now and enter in the phone number or email address you would like to send the key to. After you click Send, your guest will receive a text message or email with the virtual key. The key will come in the form of a QR code, which they can add to their Apple Wallet. Now, when it's time for your dog walker to use their virtual key, they'll arrive at the ButterflyMX intercom at your building and click on Virtual Key. They'll line up their QR code in the box on the screen. Once it's lined up correctly, they'll hear a chime and see a notification that the door is open. ButterflyMX will take a time and date stamped photo of the person using the virtual key so that you can verify whether your dog was walked that day. You can view these in your mobile app for up to 365 days. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like.